Hey everyone, this is Matt from User Guiding. I wasn't able to talk with you for a while. I missed you. We were working on new version of User Guiding. It's the version 2.0. Uh, we call this 2.0 because here are a lot of new features, like about 20, maybe 25. These features are mostly about customizations. You can add videos inside models, images inside tooltips, hotspots, and a lot of great news. We have a new text editor. You can add emojis, add hyperlinks. You can change color of your fonts. You can change size. A lot of great news. We are really excited. Hope you share my excitement, and uh, I want to show you right now. So let's first, I want to show you the new text editor. It's really cool here. Yeah, we have this customization editor here. This is a model. You remember model, and it has video option now. And also, let me put this. Yeah, all right. You can add components as much as you want. You can add text, images, guide navigations, videos, whatever you want. You can sort things up and down, and then you can preview here. You can close this one. You can set width, like you can make it wider or even smaller. You can even change background color of your model. You can set backdrop opacity, like highlight. You may want to, you may even don't want to show. All right, then you just, all right, the highlight is gone, and you see it's wider now. And this is the text editor here. You can add emojis from this icon box, and uh, let's say we need here, and maybe we even want to use hyperlinks. So I will just make it sure it's going to our YouTube channel. All right, let's see. If I click this one, it will go to the YouTube channel. Okay, cool. So let's go back. All right. Yeah, this is what happens in model. If I want to add, for example, tooltip, let's select, it's the same pointer, nothing here. And tooltip starts with just text component. So let's say it's notifications here. And I can change color here. It's cool, right? And I can even add highlight if I want to. I don't like highlights, all right, but it can be here. You can align text, all right. You can change font size, like maybe I'm a freak, so I want to make it like huge. Okay, it's possible. I may want to put a line through and whatever, and maybe I want to add an image. You were not able to add images before into tooltips. It's possible now. All right. Yeah, that's me, I think. Yeah, I'm a freak. I told you. I like my photos in my guides, and it's here. All right. So also you can use custom CSS selectors now. Some of the folks was so excited about this one. If you select this and change, like, I don't know, your CSS selector, you can use this one. And also another great feature is skip if element not present. I know sometimes your models are uh, not popped out, or I don't know, there is a field normally not there, and whatever. There are a lot of situations you may want to just skip the to the next step of preview. For these cases, you can use skip if element not present. You can set seconds, like wait for 5 seconds, then skip, or you can just say like 1 second is enough, then it's okay. You can do that. And Also, you can configure like wait until element is present, because sometimes it takes time to, maybe you just send users to log in with Facebook, log in with Google, then when they came back you want to uh, make sure your preview is still running. So in for such cases you can use wait until element is present. So you may set this one to 900 or whatever. Right, it's like this. And also for it's now much easier to add input fields. It just finds wherever the input field is now. As you can see, it's really fast, and yeah, it just remembers the last position. So yeah, it's much easier. Also same for input fields. You have editor here, you can add components, you can sort components, you can remove components, and also here is the flow, here is the input settings. It was inside the content editor before, but it's now here. I think it's much easier this way. And you can set autofill just as before. And I think that's all for guide part. And I also want to show you the news with the hotspots. Let's create one now. Quora feed. It's here. Let's add an hotspot and say here, this is the feeds. All right, it's some styling issue, I think. Let me check that before releasing this version. Yeah, one thing that's not usual is this editor is right now on the right side, because it was really hard to use editor when it's just popped out just in the middle of screen, and it was really hard to use. Now you can just preview here and make changes, like you may want to increase viewport, or you may just want to change beacon color, or you may even want to change distance, like yeah, or you can just use this here and you will immediately see the result. So it's really cool, and you may want to make it shown on the click, and you may want to show hide option here. And yeah, that's like this. And you can move editor to the right and left. And also there was one thing I just couldn't remember. Let me show. It's that you can just hide this editor like to the top and to the down. So it gives you a lot of field in screen, so you can easily customize things. One last thing I want to show you is shareable guides. Right now you can share your guides via hyperlinks. You may want to just email a guide to your customer. It's really cool. And let's see this new icon here. You can see on your dashboard is what has the trick. Copy this one and let's go to this URL and see if it works fine. Yeah, just as like you see, it's just working with a URL. You can just send this URL to your customers, your friends, your colleagues, whoever you want to send, and it's just working fine. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was fun. We built a lot of new features. Let us know what you think. If you have any recommendations, share with us. Any feedbacks are well appreciated. If any problems with your web application, any bugs, we will fix them as soon as possible. And also we will have a launch on Product Hunt next week about this User Guiding 2.0. Also share your love there. Keep guiding till then. See ya.